Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's a quick recap of our FastAPI series. From session 1 to 5, we'll cover the basics and I'll sum it up fast, then tell you what's next. Guys, actually in session 1, like you see here, we made a Hello World API with get endpoint. That was pretty simple, and in the section 2 of our course, we added a list of items and a get HTTP method with a query parameters, okay? And we learned all about how it works. And after that, in section 3, we talked about the HTTP methods, the get, the post, the put, and delete. Okay, and after that, in section number 4, what we covered is we added a put endpoint to update items in the list. Okay, so we added the, like you see here, we added put HTTP method to update an existing items inside our pretended database, and we'll learn all about how we can update some items in FastAPI. And after that, in section 5, what we learned is we brought in post to add items and delete to remove them. Okay, so we covered all the CRUD functionality in the FastAPI framework. Okay, and right now we know how to add some items, how to remove them, how to update them, and how we can read them. Or in simple, we know how to do CRUD in one of the most fastest API building framework from Python programming language. So guys, that's it. The basics of FastAPI from Hello World to CRUD in 5 sessions. Next, we're jumping into a bigger, more complete project to actually really make it shine and get some ideas, okay? So if you got some ideas, leave them in the comments, and I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.